The operation tree at the top left is the main section of Monospost Developer. Here, all operations used in the postprocessor are listed. In addition to the top-level operation, you will mostly see these 6 operations in 5-axis postprocessors. Milling, Op 3-axis milling, Op indexed milling, simultaneous or angle head operation, angle head operation, and Op polar. Actually, there are more operation types that can be used in Monospost Developer. If you are a professional package user, you can right-click on any operation and see the complete list of all other operations here. And if you are a professional package user, you can add and use these operations in your postprocessor. Here is something important. You are not only restricted to use standard operation types. You can create a custom variable and use it as an operation. Simultaneous or angle head operation is such a user-defined operation type. Monospost technical staff creates and uses this operation mostly in 5-axis postprocessors. Normally, we have a standard operation type here named as Op simultaneous milling. However, this operation only becomes active for simultaneous operations and cannot be used for angular heads. Therefore, Monospost technical staff creates a new custom formula variable named as simultaneous or angle head operation. And this variable becomes true when angle head or simultaneous operation becomes active. Then, this variable will be listed here and can be used as a new operation type. This is how simultaneous or angle head operation is created and added in the operation tree of your postprocessor. However, note that only professional package users can add new operations to operation trees. Now, let's explain each of these operation types used in milling postprocessors. Milling operation is a standard operation type and is used in mill-turn postprocessors. Therefore, we mostly leave this operation as blank in milling postprocessors. We don't define any commands, events, cutting modes, and words inside this operation. Op 3-axis milling operation is again a standard operation type in Monospost Developer and is used for 3-axis milling operations, as can be understood from its name. Op indexed milling operation is also a standard operation type and is used for indexed milling operations. Then what is indexed milling? Indexed milling is a term used to describe fixed angle milling operations. The difference from 3-axis operations is that the cutting tool is not in the Z-axis orientation. It can be in any other axis, but it doesn't change at cutting moves inside the same operation. In 5-axis machines, this operation can also be called as 3+2-axis milling. And in mill turns with turret, it can be called as X-axis milling. As I said at the beginning, simultaneous or angle head operation is a user-defined operation and is used either for simultaneous milling or angle head operations. In simultaneous milling, rotary axis values at cutting moves are not fixed. Mostly, it is also named as 5-axis milling operation. Angle head operation is again a user-defined operation type, but you will see it very often in Monospost Developer. This operation is used for angular heads. As you can see here, angle head operation is a user-defined custom variable, and this variable becomes true when the angular head is activated inside CAM program. Activating angular heads is a detailed topic, and therefore explained in another video. Here, as you can see, using angular head operation custom variable, the same named operation was already created and added here under simultaneous or angle head operation. Op polar is again a standard operation type of Monospost Developer. It is used for polar milling operations. And it is always defined under 3-axis operation. Then what is polar milling? It is a special operation type mostly used in mill-turn CNCs. However, it can also be used in 5-axis milling machines as well. Polar operations are normally 3-axis milling operations, where one of the linear axis, X or Y, is locked, and the table, C-axis, rotates instead. In mill-turn CNCs, this mode can be activated with polar mode functions of NC controller, like G12.1. This type of operation is needed when the X or Y axis limits of the CNC prevents to machine the part fully in 3-axis milling mode. In 5-axis milling machines, when the X and Y axis limits are a problem to cut a larger part, you can still use polar operation, although milling machines do not have the G12.1 function. Monospost has special features for you to do this. Watch the video, How to Adjust Parametric Polar Mode in 5-axis milling machines, to learn more about that.